Very good morning students and most welcome again online classes. As you know, in last class I started your long composition is about your letter writing, and in that section I told you about the very first question about application for job for the post of clerk there. And I told you that if the examiner would ask you about for the post of clerk, receptionist or to the executive, your answer would remain the same. To change the name of post there in application for the post of clerk. I told you that. And right now I'm going to have the same application for job, the same application for job with different post, okay, with some changes students. So there is no need to learn or no need to prepare any extra application for job for any other post student. Just write the same application that I presented you or I gave you in the last class. Just have some changes in the name of post there or in qualification. You will have your answer prepared. Is that clear? So let's have some changes. Instead of having the full application for job, I'm going to give you some changes on the same application that I taught you in the last class about application for the post of clerk, application for the post of to the executive, and application for the post of receptionist there, because these kind of posts require the same qualification like graduation and senior secondary. Nothing else is required there. Okay, so let's have question number second. The part 2 I can say there are letter writing students. I'm going to have letter writing again for the same application for job, which is of 6 marks in CBSE and 7 marks in RBSE. So those students who are of RBSE, just don't worry about it. You can also have the same application for your examination students. Okay, so let's have letter writing application for job part 2. Part 2 doesn't mean that it's a part 2 application for job for the first question. The part 2 doesn't mean that it's a part 2 for the question number first of your application for job for the post of clerk. Part 2 का मतलब यहाँ पर ये नहीं है कि आपको उसमें merge करना है. After writing application for job for the post of clerk and having your CV, you have a different question here right now. Is it clear, students? I'm going to have different question, but not the full application for job, only with some changes there. Okay, let's have a question. L2 letter writing application for job for part 2. Okay, let's have. For the post of school lecturer, I have mentioned school lecturer and those students who were in offline there, okay, just you know that very well. I gave you and I taught you how to write some changes, how to have some changes with the same application. So right now I'm here for the post of school lecturer, English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. If these questions actually, okay, are asked in board examination, just have some changes in application. For the post of school lecturer there, in the very first 2 or 3 lines, the same application I provided you in the last class. Okay, let's say we change it. Okay, so letter writing application for job part 2 means that we'll have different question, but in the same part 1 with some changes. Okay, students, for the post of school lecturer, English I have, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, etc. Okay, or the examiner, okay, we'll ask you about like PGT, okay, and TGT. If we ask about PGT, it means that postgraduate teacher, the same I have mentioned here. It means that postgraduate teacher, the same post I have mentioned here for the post of school lecturer. And school lecturer basically those teachers who teaches or would teach 11th and 12th classes. Okay, so PGT stand for postgraduate teacher and TGT stand for trained graduate teacher. Okay, for these posts you can mention the same qualification, there is no problem. Okay, students, the qualification and changes will remain the same. If the examiner, okay, if the examiner asks you about TGT, just mention their TGT. If the examiner asks you about PGT, just mention their PGT. If the examiner asks you about school lecturer for the post of English, Maths, Physics and Chemistry and Biology, have your changes as per the given question in your answer, students. So let's have your answer with changes, not the full application, students. Okay, let's have. So I'm going to have the answer application for the post of school lecturer, okay, in English. I'm going to have for the post of English, you will have some changes. Okay, let's have your answer. Okay, first you have to write down the sender's your address, sender's address. Like you can mention B21 Ganesh Nagar. Okay, then Jaipur. Okay, one line space students, then one line space. Okay, then January 25th, 20 cross because of examination or your exam, then one line space. Okay students, I told you that we are going to have changes on behalf of school lecturer for the post of English. Okay, if the examiner will ask you the question about like school lecturer for the post of English, the address will be like that, like, okay, one line space, sender's address, date, then receiver's or official address. It would be the principal, Eklavya International Academy, Sikar Road, Jaipur. Okay students, then one line space. Is that clear? Then one line space. Then your subject, application, for the post of school lecturer in English. If there is a post like maths, just mention maths. If there is a post of physics, mention physics, etc. Okay, just after it mention your salutation like sir, or you can mention both, madam. Okay students, and after it just don't leave a space at all, have your answer. And in this answer I told you that with reference to advertisement, dated on like that, dated on January 24 to 20 cross appear in the Times of India, like that ऐसा कुछ लिखवाया था मैंने वहाँ पे. Okay, I would be like that. Okay, like ऐसा कुछ लिखवाया था मैंने वहाँ पे. So in those 4 lines, just don't change anything else. Okay, कुछ वहाँ लिखवाया था मैंने. I would like to offer myself as a candidate for the post of clerk. I will be highly obliged if you kindly select me for the said post. Like this, इस तरह की lines मैंने वहाँ पे आपको लिखवाई थी. But don't have any change there, just have a change like I would like to offer myself as a candidate for the post of clerk. I mentioned there in application for job number 1. Okay, the question number 1 I taught you there, just mention like the line was there, I would like to offer myself as a candidate for the post of clerk. Okay, just in that, instead of writing for the post of clerk, just mention I would like to offer myself for the post of school lecturer in English. That's it. Okay, in that line just have change. So where there is clerk in your answer, okay, in the main body, where there is clerk, just mention I would like to offer myself as a candidate for the post of school lecturer. In English. Then I will be highly obliged if you kindly select me for the said post. like ऐसा लिखवाया था मैंने आपको, ठीक है ना. तो वो सब आपको सब वहाँ पे कुछ चेंज नहीं करना, just have some changes in the name of post there, and the remaining lines will remain the same. No need to change anything else there. In question number 1 that I gave you or that I taught you in the last class. Okay students, and after writing this application for job in 5 to 6 lines, 70 to 80 words there, okay, have your CV, or in CV just change your qualification there and your experience. Okay students, just after writing 4 to 5 lines, 6 lines, I provided you CV curriculum vitae there. In CV no need to change anything about personal details, okay, and no need to change anything about like your computer knowledge. Just changes the year or the session in which you acquired your certain degree or diploma students. Okay, let's say we line CV. So in application, just before CV, so where there is for the post of clerk, just mention for the post of school lecturer in English, for the post of school lecturer in maths, for the post of school lecturer in physics, for the post of school lecturer in chemistry, for the post of school lecturer in biology, students. Okay, in those 5 to 6 lines, just change your post there, just clerk there, just mention school lecturer in English. Okay, students, so last have your CV. After mentioning, thanking you yours truly or faithfully, like Aman Kumar, Aman Gupta I have mentioned there. Just prepare your CV by leaving one line space, mention curriculum vitae here. I told you that mention curriculum vitae. So here we have to mention curriculum vitae first. So as far as the matter of qualification are concerned, students, and I told you that after mentioning curriculum vitae, just leaving a one line space, sender's name, email ID, then date, okay, we have there, then your mobile number, students. Okay, these four formalities should be mentioned first, and after this we had objective. There is no need to change an objective also, because schools are also known as organization. Okay, if you like to mention like that, like seeking a challenging environment, I mentioned the line like that. In objective I mentioned the line like that, seeking, okay, seeking a challenging environment where I can use my skills and knowledge for the advancement of your organization. Or instead of mentioning organization, you can mention for the advancement of your school, for the advancement of your institution. But the school can also be known as organization. संगठन तो होता ही है, ठीक है ना? But if you like to have some change, then you can mention for the advancement of your school in objective. Is that clear? In objective, you can mention that seeking a challenging environment where I can use my skills and experience for the advancement of your school. Okay, you can mention the word school for your comfort level, students. And just after that, you know that very well, after having the basic line like email ID, mobile number, objective, I told you that to write about educational qualification. So what can be the educational qualification for the post of school lecturer? The two essential qualification that I mentioned, they would remain the same. वो वैसे की वैसे रहेगी, like the graduation and your senior secondary, वहाँ कुछ change नहीं करना है. But before graduation, you should mention post graduation and B.Ed, because one who is a school lecturer in any post or any subject or language should have B.Ed or Bachelor of Education from a certified or affiliated university or college. Okay, students, so we should mention the certain qualification which is required for the post of school lecturer in any post like English, mathematics, physics or chemistry. So let's have your changes. Okay, I'm going to have some changes. It doesn't mean that your answer will be or would be like that or this. Let's have. So educational qualification, okay, after mentioning the basic essential thing like sender's name, like email ID, date and mobile number, objective, just have your educational qualification. Okay, we are having changes in the same application. कुछ नहीं करना है, जहाँ जहाँ पोस्ट है वहाँ उसका नाम लिखना है, और जो शैक्षणिक योग्यता है आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन और एक्सपीरियंस उसे आपको बदलना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट राइट, यू कैन नॉट मेंशन द सेम क्वालिफिकेशन फॉर द डिफरेंट पोस्ट. Okay, supposed to be if there is a post or clerk, no need to mention about the B.Ed or post graduation at all. Okay, at least about the B.Ed or Bachelor of Education, because one who is a Bachelor of Education, B.Ed, who definitely would not work or will not work in any company organization. He or she can, but he or she has offer or opportunity to work in school or colleges also. Okay, someone who is postgraduate or PhD like that. So let's have show educational qualification. Okay, educational qualification. Okay, for the post of okay, like PGT English. Okay, PGT stand for postgraduate teacher or you can also say school lecturer, एक ही बात है. The examiner, okay, may ask you about the school lecturer, or he may mention or can mention like PGD. Okay, both the name and the post are exactly same. There is no differentiation on behalf of qualification at all. Okay, so let's have educational qualification. The first should be, okay, we can mention like MA English Literature, we can mention like MSc in Physics, we can mention like MCom in Mathematics. Is it clear? You can mention the name of degree like MSc, MA, okay, or MCom. But I'm going to mention actually those word or that word that will, okay, give you extra comfort to write the line. So let's have post graduation. Okay, either it's a matter of your science stream, arts or commerce. Okay, it will not influence your marks at all. Let's have it now. Post graduation in English literature, from the University of Rajasthan, with first division marks in 2011. Okay, then mention your B8. It's known as Bachelor of Education. You can mention B8, B8 from the University of Rajasthan. You can mention also University of Jammu and Kashmir, University of Mumbai, University of Delhi. Easily, there is no problem. Okay, the person can pursue his Bachelor of Education from anywhere, even his entire education, there is no problem. Maybe he's a resident or permanent resident of anywhere else, कहीं का भी हो, कहीं से भी अपनी education ले सकता है, even from America, there is no problem. Okay, like BA from the University of Rajasthan with first division marks. In B8 from the University of Rajasthan with first division marks in 2011, mention 2010. PG is of 2 years, it should be 2009. 2009, okay, 2009 में बीड किया, 10 और 11 में उसका 2 साल का PG होता है, 11 में हो गया. Then number 3, the last two qualification like graduation and your senior secondary would remain the same. आपकी same रहेगी जैसा I have mentioned or I mentioned in here for the post of clerk there. Okay, let's have graduation. जो सबसे बाद में किया होता है उसे पहले मेंशन करना है. ओके, जो डिग्री आपने बाद में उसे पहले करना है, फिर सीरियल में बॉटम पे आपको जाना है वापस. ओके, टॉप से बॉटम पे आना है. ग्रेजुएशन from the University of Rajasthan with first division marks in, okay, B8 2009 in 2008, क्योंकि अभी हुआ है 2 साल का, पहले 1 साल का ही था. then the last one is senior. Senior secondary from C, B, S, E, Central Board of Secondary Education, Jaipur, with distinction, in, okay. The person actually who did his graduation 2008, so 3 years back आपको आना पड़ेगा. So like 3 years back we can say that like 2008 I have 8, 7, 6, 5, okay. It means that 5 में 12th किया, 6 में first year, 7 में second year और 8 में उसका final हो गया. Okay, ऐसे back आना सभी को. Actually graduation is a 3 years degree, so like you should be back with 3 years. 2008 he did his graduation. 8 में graduation पूरा किया, तो 12 कब किया होगा? 7 में 8 में उसने final पूरा किया, 7 में second year और 6 में first year किया होगा. It means that उसने 5 में तो किया अपना 12 पूरा, 6 में उसका first year हो गया, 7 में second year और 8 में उसका final हो गया. It means that 12 कब किया उसने? 2005 में, okay, in 2005. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. It's all about your educational qualification for the post of school lecturer or PGT in English students, okay. So let's have what changes we can also have like in these qualification also. So instead of mentioning or instead of writing like post graduation students in English, you can also mention like that MA in English, MA in English, MA in English, okay. You can also mention here like graduation like BA in English, or you can have your straight line like graduation from the University of Rajasthan, okay. You can mention graduation in English. लिख दो, कोई problem नहीं, because we have for the post of school lecturer in English, then you can mention English, otherwise your answer will remain the same. There is no problem, it's a matter of only graduation. So BA in English, okay students. But don't forget that if the examiner would ask you about school lecturer for the post of like physics and chemistry, then you have to mention here for physics and chemistry MSc. For physics and chemistry you should mention, for physics and chemistry you have to mention for physics and chemistry like MSc, okay, MSc. And here in graduation you should mention like BSc, okay, like BSc, or here MSc, here BSc. MSc Master in Science or Master of Science, BSc Master in Science or Master of Science, BSc Bachelor in Science, Bachelor of Science, MSc Master in Science and Master of Science. If you are pursuing your degree in science in post graduation, you will say that like I'm pursuing my, okay, post graduation like master in science, okay, like master in science. So I'm pursuing master in science. If you have did that education, if you have completed your degree or diploma, you will say I'm master of science, a master of arts, a master of like commerce. करने के बाद off हो जाएगा, कर रहे हो तो in, okay. It's all about students your changes. So let's have the translation. In education qualification, post graduation in English literature from the University of Rajasthan with first division marks in 2011, B.Ed from the University of Rajasthan with first division marks in 2009, graduation, or if there is a post of like English, you can mention BA there, BA in English, graduation in English, और इसके बिना भी चलेगा तो भी आंसर ही है आपका. Graduation from the University of Rajasthan with first division marks in 2008. Senior secondary means your 12th. Senior secondary from CBSE. From CBSE stand for Central Board of Secondary Education, Jaipur. Okay, with distinction. Distinction means that 75 or 75 plus percentage का होना. Okay, if your percentage is 75% or 75 plus, it means that you hold distinction. आपने distinction hold किया है score में senior secondary from Central Board of Secondary Education, Jaipur with distinction in 2005. Okay, so let's have another changes, students. Let's have another changes. Just after that, I told you to write about computer knowledge. In computer knowledge, just mention 1 year short-term computer certificate course from NIT. 1 year short-term computer certificate. 1 year short-term computer certificate. Okay, course like that you can mention from NIT जयपुर. और वहाँ लिखवाया था मैंने आपको ईयर, एक डेट डाली थी वहाँ पे ना, उसको चेंज करके आपको मेंशन करना है बिकॉज द सेम पर्सन डिड इज पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन इन 2011. तो उसका जो 1 ईयर कंप्यूटर कोर्स है आप दिखा देना उसे 2012 में. इन 2012 just after post graduation just mention 1 year short term computer certificate course from NIT Jaipur in 2012. So where there I mentioned 2010, 9 whatever, just have changes in the year or साल, जो साल लिखा है वहाँ पे इसको चेंज करना. पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के बाद दिखा देना वहाँ पर 1 year short term computer certificate course from NIT Jaipur in 2012. That's it. Okay, it's all about your computer knowledge. So let's have your experience. What kind of experience you should mention in for the post of school lecturer if examiner will ask you about. Let's have it now. So work experience. In 2012 में उसने क्या किया अपना फाइनल 1 year शॉर्ट टर्म कंप्यूटर सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स फ्रॉम NIT जयपुर इन 2012 से उसने किया. इट मीन्स द लास्ट क्वालिफिकेशन कब का था, 2012 का था. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही कुड एबल टू डू ओके जॉब इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर एटलीस्ट. तो वहाँ से उसका एक्सपीरियंस हम लोग काउंट कर लेते हैं टिल नाउ अब तक का. ओके, डोंट मेंशन, यू कैन आल्सो मेंशन लाइक आई हैव 10 years वर्क एक्सपीरियंस in Delhi Public School, yeah, I have been teaching like that. ऐसा mention कर देना वहाँ पे. Okay, let's say. So I'm going to mention the line which will be okay same in each and every post. So let's have. I have been working in Delhi Public School Ajmer Road, Jaipur. On the same post since 2013. It shows that you have at least 8 to 9 years experience. Okay, right now it's 2020 because if you are going to mention since 2013, this means that you are still working there. Okay, if you have mentioned the sentence like has and have plus being plus first term plus ing students, it shows your present perfect continuous tense. It means that a candidate or a person is still working here. Here mean to say DPS. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये शो करता है कि अभी भी यहाँ पे आप जॉब कर रहे हो. and you are in searching or in seeking of a challenging atmosphere or environment. वो mention किया था आपने, the same line you mentioned in objective there. Okay students, so work experience यहाँ mention कर दिया. I have been working in Delhi Public School, Ajmer Road, Jaipur on the same post since 2013 कि 2013 से मैं DPS स्कूल में 13 से मैं 2013 से दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल में DPS स्कूल में. ओके, because the address for the receiver's address you mentioned there Eklavya International Academy. तो एकलव्य में तो आप एक्सपीरियंस अपना दिखा सकते हैं. यू कैन नॉट शो योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एकलव्य इंटरनेशनल स्कूल बिकॉज इन द सेम स्कूल you will apply or you would apply in the same school of the official one. So a candidate or a person or like you cannot mention the same experience where you are going to apply. जहाँ अप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं उसी स्कूल का एक्सपीरियंस आप नहीं शो करते हैं because there we have Eklavya International Academy. So you have to mention the different school name or school name should be different. Okay, so I have been working in Delhi Public School, Ajmer Road, जयपुर में इसकी ब्रांच है. Or the same post mean to say like PGT English you mentioned there. The meaning of same post here PGT English like you are applying for, जिसके लिए अप्लाई आप कर रहे हैं since 2013 से. It shows a good experience, अच्छा खासा एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है. As far as the matter of your personal details are concerned, just have no change. Even there would be no change in DOB, date of birth also. Okay students, with the help of these changes you can write down any application for the post of PGT, TGT or school lecturer. Don't forget that TGT stands for trained graduate teacher. A teacher who teaches up to 10th class, from 6th to 10th class is known as TGT. But don't worry, you can mention your post graduation also in the same post because those who are TGT they may be or they can be postgraduate or MA, MSc or MCom students. Okay, it's all about your application for job. Just after you mention your personal details with 10 points, with 10 points the same I told you about. Okay students, these are the other changes in as per your syllabus for the board examination to score 6 out of 6 marks. बहुत easy रहेगा हमारे लिए, केवल एक application करनी है. Just have some changes in qualification and your receiver's address, the official one I had mentioned there. In clerk, for the post of clerk, the address like that. The manager, Reliance Petrochemical Industry Limited, Jaipur, वहाँ लिखा था मैंने the receiver's address or the official one. or in application for job, if there is a post of school lecturer, PGT, DGT, just mention the principal, Eklavya International Academy, Jaipur there. Okay students, it's all about your changes, not for the entire application for job. Have your changes and just send the same application for the post of clerk, for the post of receptionist. Okay, just have for the post of clerk, for the post of receptionist, for the post of to do executive, for the post of school lecturer in English, physics, chemistry, bio, maths, like that. For the post of TGTs, just prepare your application with different posts with changes only. Okay, and send the same to me on my personal number. I'll tell you if there are any changes to mention in your answers. I'll tell you about. Okay students, it's all about today. Thank you and have a nice day.